Hey, welcome Facebook friends. Rodney Melton here, Dustin Robinson, Mike Baker, AutoStar Chrysler Dodge Jeep of Hendersonville. We just want to let you know that we're thinking about you today, and we know with the virus going around that people may be scared to come out. Just want to let you know that we're taking every precautionary that's available to us. We have sanitation departments all throughout our company, in our service department, in our used car department, new car department, in our parts department. So 2 or 3 times a day our staff goes and disinfects the doors. We're trying every way that we know how to make it very safe and user friendly for you to be a part of our dealership. A couple of things that we're doing, these guys are going to go over. If there's anything that you need that our staff could do for you, sometimes you may not be able to get out. If you're one of our family members through the dealership, if you need something, if we can do anything to give back to you for all you've done for us, my direct number is area code 828-316-7224, 828-316-7224. Give us a call if you need water, if there's some sanitation stuff that you need, if you need toilet paper, if you need paper towels, you need food, whatever it is, it'd be our pleasure to give back to you. So Dustin has some things that he'd like to go over, then Mike's going to talk about how we can be a better service to come to you. So Dustin?
Thanks, Rodney.
Thanks, sir.
So I want to touch on some things about buying cars. You know, people kind of worried about buying vehicles in this trying time that we're going through. So we want to let you guys know that we have no problem bringing you a car to test drive. We have no problem bringing you a car to buy. We'll bring you all your paperwork to your house. You don't have to leave the house. We can do this whole transaction via text or email, phone call. Whatever we got to do to accommodate our customers, we're willing to do. Mike handles all of our paperwork. He can get that stuff expedited quickly, printed out, brought to your house. We'll make sure everything's done, all the I's dotted, T's crossed, so you don't have to leave the house and you feel a little safer without having to get out with the situations that are going on right now.
Mike, anything?
No, yeah, so just pretty much what Dustin touched on, you guys. If bringing you guys the paperwork is going to be easier, make you more comfortable, we're not opposed to that. We know that this is some strange times that we're going on. And as far as we're trying to make the dealership as clean as possible, we know that most folks just probably feel more comfortable in their homes. So if that's the case, again, like they both said, we'll bring you guys the paperwork. We'll highlight everywhere for you to sign. It'll be just like you're in the office, just like we're explaining. And then if the paperwork gets there and you have a question or it needs to be redone, it's not a big deal. We're going to make sure that we make it as safe, easy, and friendly as possible for you guys to buy a car, no matter what that means. So just let us all know how we can help. We're here to serve you guys because we're not just a car dealership. We want to be part of the community and serve you guys best we can.
Great, great. Also too, folks, if you need service done and you're afraid to come out, we do have pickup and drop off. We'll be more than happy to come to your house, get your vehicle, bring it in for the routine maintenance. If it has recalls, oil changes, whatever needs to be done, feel free to give us a call here. Hey, pay attention to what's going on the news. Stay safe. Try to do everything you can to keep you and your family safe. And once again, from all of us here at AutoStar, thank you for your business and may God bless you.